What's the meaning of blotch? Blotch. Blotch.
Blotch. Blotch. Blotch is a noun that refers to a large, irregularly shaped spot or stain. It can refer to marks made by ink, paint, or any other type of substance that can create a smudge or a discolored area on a surface. Blotches can be caused by many things, such as spills, accidents, or even medical conditions like hives or rashes. The term can also be used figuratively to describe something that is marred by imperfections or flaws. Overall, the word blotch conveys a sense of disorder and messiness, and is commonly used to describe marks or features that stand out in an unattractive or distracting way.